Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Spellbinders July 2022 club kits are now available. Every month I receive the large die, the embossing folder, and also the card kit of the month. Here's a look at the embossing folder. I love the large size. These are 5.5 inches by 8.5 inches, and it's a really fun geometric style. You could cut all of those pieces into different little strips, or you could do all of them and add them to your card. And here is the large die of the month. This is so much fun. It's a little food truck. So we have the truck, all of the little pieces to create and customize your truck. Then we have a taco and also an ice cream cone. There's die pieces for the toppings on the ice cream cone, the lettuce inside the taco, and we have the wheels, the little canopy. This really will be a fun set to use. And look at all the dies that are included. Next, I have the card kit of the month. The theme is Under the Sea Magic. So you'll receive your information card. It has a list of contents, and there are 3 sample cards on the one side, and if you flip it over, there's a tutorial showing how to assemble one of those card samples. There are 9 pieces of cardstock. These are all 8.5 by 11 inches in size. We have a purple, a white, this really vibrant pink. There's a darker purple, a soft pink. We have a really light pink, this pretty sky blue, a darker blue, and also the gold mirror cardstock. And I will tuck that underneath the blue so I don't blind you with my overhead lights. Here's the 6x6 paper pad that's included, and it is absolutely beautiful. There are 40 sheets, 2 of each design, and several of the patterns do have a gold foil finish on them. So I will flip through these really quickly so you can see all the lovely patterns. Some of the gold foil finish is really tiny, so it's hard to see in the video. We have princesses, unicorns, there's mermaids. As always, we do have those beautiful floral patterns that Spellbinders includes. There's another one with that beautiful gold finish. There's some more mermaids. This one is a beautiful, looks like an alcohol ink design. Here's a lovely tone-on-tone design, and then this gorgeous under the sea view with the seahorse and the mermaid. Here's the stamp set this month. We have a couple of silhouette images and lots of fun sentiments. Leave a little sparkle wherever you go, wish upon a star. Every little thing you do is magic, with love from the Tooth Fairy to the birthday princess. So many fun sentiments. Then we also have a sheet of puffy alphabet stickers in a beautiful gold color. There are the 2 sheets of chipboard embellishments, lovely colors that match beautifully with the paper pad. There is a sheet of gemstones, and these are gorgeous. I love the soft colors, and there's gold glitter encased on the inside, so these are super sparkly. And it's fun that there's 3 different sizes of each of the colors. As always, there's a pack of die cut shapes, and I will lay those all out at the end of this unboxing so you can see everything that's included. We have our sheet of foam dimension and also a roll of double-sided tape. There are 10 A2 size envelopes and also 10 A2 size card bases. The card bases do have a lovely linen texture on them. And then the final item is the die set. There are 10 dies included this month, and these are so fun. So we have a couple of mermaids, then we have a couple of seahorses, there's some shells, some seaweed, some starfish. All the pieces needed to create a fun under the water scene. So that's everything that's included in Spellbinders July 2022 card kit of the month. And here's a look at all of the die cut shapes. There are 2 of each. We have lots of images and quite a few sentiments this time. If you are interested in subscribing to any of Spellbinders club kits, I do have links provided in the description box below. In order to receive the kits I showed in this video, you do need to subscribe by July 24th. There are several other club kits available and also some value kit options if you want to join more than one kit at a time. If there are leftover kits from previous months, Spellbinders will sell those individually without a subscription. And I do have links for all of that in the description box below. Coming soon, I will be sharing my card videos using these fun kits. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.